Every MasterCraft starts with Ilmor power. Because when performance and reliability matter this much, there's no second choice. Built by engineers who've honed championship-winning engines in Formula One and IndyCar, Ilmor brings race-bred precision to every boat. From proven classics to relentless powerhouses, every engine in the lineup has one thing in common. They're built to keep you on the water, pulling harder, longer, and cleaner. It starts with the Ilmor 5.3-liter GDI high-output engine, 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque. Standard on our NXT and XT models, it's fuel-efficient, responsive, and built to bring more fun per gallon. Plus, a clever fresh air intake keeps your engine running 15% more efficiently than ever. For those who live on the coast, we've got you covered. The 5.3-liter GDI saltwater engine takes that same DNA and builds it for the ocean. 365 horsepower, a closed-cooled aluminum block, and direct injection built to fight corrosion and keep performance sharp. Then there's the 6-liter MPI engine, 373 horsepower, standard on the ProStar. Proven reliability, time-tested strength, and the kind of consistency that keeps skiers coming back season after season. The 6.2-liter GDI engine raises the bar further with even more muscle, 430 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque. Standard on the X24 and available on XT models, the ProStar, and the NXT23 and NXT24. Smooth, confident power no matter how you ride. And then, at the top, the world's most powerful towboat engine, the Ilmor 6.2-liter supercharged. 630 horsepower, 665 pound-feet of torque. Standard on the X-Star family, available on the X24. It launches harder, pulls heavier, and pins you to your seat like no other. From the efficient to the extreme, every Ilmor engine is built with one purpose: to deliver when it matters most. Clean power that meets the toughest standards. Reliability proven in the real world, not just on paper. And the longest, strongest warranty in the industry to back it all up. It's not about promises, it's about proof. That's why MasterCraft trusts Ilmor, and why every time you turn the key, you know exactly what you're getting. Power that performs every time you ask for it.